So for quite some time now, I'll be receiving a lot of comments under my Swagbuck post. Yes, I made a post on Swagbuck, how you can earn from the platform Swagbuck, and since then I've been receiving a lot of comments from people. Yes, a lot of comments asking about different things, and some even complain that the platform is not working for them. And I've done this video since then, but I'll be busy with other platform. Yes, I'll be busy with other platform. So this is my Swagbuck dashboard. It's been a while since I use Swagbuck because I've been actually experimenting other platform, but this Swagbuck is actually a platform that I've earned personally from before. Yes, I've earned personally from this platform, and I'll say it's good. Majorly what you do on Swagbuck is either you play games, or you shop on it, or you answer their survey. That is actually where you can make money from it. But majorly I would advise to skip the shopping and surveys, because where I actually made money from this platform was playing off their games. That is where the real money is, playing off their games. That is, if you want to make money, that is it. So in this video I'll be answering most of your questions. Yes, a lot of your questions. That's what I'll be answering. So this is not actually a video or how the platform or how to register on the platform. No, I already made a video on that. If you want to watch the video, I'll be dropping the link to that video in the description, so you can go and watch it at later. But make sure, first of all, you watch the video to know what I'm about to tell you. So a lot of questions I'll be receiving, and I'm going to be answering those questions right away. So the first question I have here is, please do video on how to withdraw on the platform. Don't worry, yes, I will show you how to withdraw, because that is really something that most people don't know. I'll be showing you how to withdraw, but that will be in the end of the video. Yes, that will be in the end of the video. Now another one is, do I need to use VPN on it? I don't know the location where you are, and I don't know where you locate. So for me, I based in Nigeria, and I have not used VPN. I don't know if they have changed the rules for this platform right now, but because it has been, I think the last time I used this platform was early January or so. So since then I'll be experimenting other platform, but when I use this platform I did not use VPN. So that is it. I don't use VPN, so I think you need VPN. Even right now, as I'm opening it now, I'm not using VPN to access anything here. So that is it. So another question is, so withdrawal is only on through pay? I'm going to see answer that question. If withdrawal is only through on paper, yes, paper. I'm still going to answer that question. So if you don't know the answer, make sure you watch the video to the very end. Yes, maybe I might not even say in the end, maybe in middle of the video or so I'll just give answer to that. So another one is, how much is 100 Swagbuck in dollar? How much is 100 Swagbuck in dollar? To be serious here, I don't know how much is 100 Swagbuck in dollar, because when I did my own, it was 510, and I converted my own to gift card when actually withdraw it, and I'll be showing you how to convert it onto gift card. So I don't really know how much is 100 Swagbuck, but I can tell you that 100 Swagbuck should be around $1. Yes, because 510 Swagbuck is around $5, so 100 Swagbuck should be around $1 or so. Yes, so that is actually it. 100 Swagbuck is actually around $1. Another question is not available in Nigeria. No, that's not true. It's available in Nigeria. I'm accessing it from Nigeria right now. Just as I said earlier, I'm not using VPN. This is not VPN. I'm not using VPN. That person said, I tried to download it, but it's showing not available in your location, and I'm in Nigeria, in Rivers State. For this, I don't know why it's not accessible. For me, I'm not using the app. I think you have app, but I'm not using the app. I'm actually using the website. So go and check out the website. I think you actually be able to access it if you are using the website. Yeah, that is it for that. Let me see if there's any other question here. How do I sell my gift card? So this is one of the questions that really want to answer how do I say my gift card, don't worry. At the end of the video, I will show you how to say your gift cards. Another one is I've done. I think I did my first survey, and since then I haven't gotten another. Actually, I don't know why I have not gotten another, because it was yesterday. Yesterday, I came to this platform after about 3 or 4 months of actually in this platform, and when I came to it, I saw close to 3 surveys are waiting for me. Close to 3 surveys are waiting for me. Though I did not do any survey, but this morning when I came back to make this video, I will just say that I only have one survey here. I was having 3 survey. One was this 2SB where they asked me to complete my profile. I don't know, but I think I've already completed my profile. But the other one was 100 and something, 100 and something SB, where they asked me to answer some questions. I don't do that one, and one other one like that. And this morning I came back and made that they have removed it. Other things, if you are not answering your survey questions, they might remove the survey from you. Yeah, so that's why you need to be active on the platform if you want to make money from it. But what I would advise, don't depend on survey. Play their games. That is where the money is. Play their games. So don't depend on survey, because when I did my own, I was not really focusing on the survey. I was focusing on playing the game. Another question is Swagbucks still paying? Yes, very much. Swagbucks is still playing. So it's still paying. So you can still try your luck with it. Please, what VPN are you using on Swagbucks? I'm not using VPN. I'm not using VPN on Swagbucks. So that is it. I'm not using VPNs. Is it UK account you use or Nigeria? Because I'm not sure it is Nigeria account you use. Yes, it's Nigeria account I use. Nigeria account. It's not UK. I never use VPN to open it. It's Nigeria account I use. So that is it for that. It's Nigeria account. So I don't know why most of you are having issue opening NATO, but it's Nigeria account that I use. So another question is, Swagbucks now work in Nigeria, or are you using VPN? I don't understand this question. Wait, was it not working in Nigeria before? Because when I tried it, I didn't know that it was not working in Nigeria. How to business here? This is Nigeria. I'm using it in Nigeria. I'm not using VPN. Look at the top. Check at top of my screen here. There's not like anything showing VPN here, and I can access the game, do everything there. So I'm not using VPN. So I think that is it. Then yeah, that is it for this question. Now to the questions that they ask, how to withdraw and all that. So this, which is, please do video on how to withdraw. That is basically why I came here. I want to show you how to withdraw. So eventually I don't really know any other way to withdraw. I think they can withdraw through PayPal and all, but when I withdraw my own, I did it through gift card. I converted my SB to gift card and I sold my gift card. So now this is it. To withdraw, just go to this three-hamburger menu at the down where it says more. Click on it and you see redeem SB. Redeem SB. Click on redeem SB. Over here, you can see you can convert it to any this thing you want, any gift card you want. Yes, Amazon DE, Amazon FRO, Amazon this thing, Apple, Gemini. So this is where I know that okay, it's even 550 SB is $5. Just like as you can see here, 550 SB is $5. So from $5 you can start withdrawing. Yeah, from $5. So this are a lot of gift cards that you can actually convert your SB to. So there's PayPal gift card, there's a lot of gift card. Yeah, so I think right now it's only gift card that you can use to withdraw. Yes, only gift card. So someone asks, how can they sell their gift card? If you want to sell your gift card, I do buy gift card. You can reach out to me through my Telegram, or yeah, you can reach out to me. If you want to sell, just comment it in the comment section. If you want to sell your gift card, I will reach out to you, or yeah, or thereabout. Just message me and all that. So that is it. So that is basically how to withdraw. You convert it So let's say for example you have up to that 550 SB. You click on the gift card you want to convert it to. Once you click on it, then you select any one here that you want to, just maybe this one, you click on it, then you click on redeem. So I'm not able to redeem because I don't even have SB here. It's belong on this platform. So you click on it, then you click on redeem. Once you click on redeem, it'll give you all the code, all the necessary details of your gift card, which you can sell. If you want to sell your gift card, let me know in the comment section and I'll reach out to you. Please know that I don't give anybody my contact in the comment section. So don't let anybody scam you. I don't give my contact in the comment section. If you want to reach out to me, join any of my join my telegram channel. Just comment under any of the posts here that you want to sell your gift card. So I'll reach out to you through telegram. That's the only way I reach out to people. Yeah, I don't give my WhatsApp number because I've received a lot of messages that people just keep on disturbing on WhatsApp, so I don't give my contact again. But if you still manage to find it, because some of you still manage to find my WhatsApp contact, then lucky for you. So that is it for this video, guys. That is how to withdraw your money, how to change it to gift card. Yeah, that is basically it. So if you want to join my telegram channel, as the link is in the description, use the link in the description to join. I remain Swagbucks, and thanks for watching this video. I'll be seeing you on the next one.